Once again, we transformed the chateau into an art gallery. There's work on the front yard, and the town prepares to have a wonderful celebration at this year's town fête. As you guys know, throughout the year, the chateau transforms into all sorts of different things for different venues, from our retreats to music venue to, home for us. And of course, we also set up for a gallery. So let's get the chateau ready for the art. So, as promised, we have an art exhibition on this week. So this is part of the Town Fête. The Town Fête happens at the end of July. It's a wonderful event where our little village of 500 people has a really good party. And as part of that, we open the chateau for people to come and visit and see an art exhibition. This year we've got 6 artists, I think, that are displaying in here. So let me give you a tour of the wonderful artwork that is on display at the Château this week. There's a bit of a tour of the wonderful exhibit that's on right now. We've literally just opened up, so there's nobody here right now, but we're hoping over the weekend we'll get lots of people through, and who knows, maybe some sales. This is always a great event. It's so fantastic to watch the Chateau transform from our home to an art gallery, a place that I think Sarah and I both enjoy being in.
All right, my ladies. New day, new frock. What do we think?
Very cute.
Yeah? Thank Thank you. Taking it out for a test spin, Tate.
It's a very French color.
So, what do you think of my new frock?
Love it. It's a nice look, actually. It flows really nicely. It's got a good shape.
It's got a bow.
It's got a bow and pockets.
pockets.
That's a big deal.
Right? Yeah, I'm really liking it as a first try. The material is really lightweight. It's meant to be basically sort of a wick-away type material.
Yeah.
So since we're going out kayaking and then to Milan and then to Sarlat today, in a bit of the heat wave, we're really gonna test out its sort of sweat management capabilities, shall we say. The other thing is, I think it's right on the size. I used their sizing charts,
Great.
and I feel like it's kind of spot on. I'm feeling really comfortable. It was really easy to get on and off. So
That's always a
liking
good
it
sign.
so far.
Yeah.
You've seen hints of my outfits over the last few videos, and I felt really comfortable and confident in them. I'm going to list all the pieces that I wore in the description below, and you can use the coupon code 15mm to get a 15% discount on full price items. The pants on the left are the wide leg waffle pants that I was wearing in the market. The pants on the right are the high-waisted drawstring linen feel pants, which actually were a size too large for me. So I'll send those ones back and try in a different size and a different color, because there's lots of color options too.
Hey everyone, so I'm being a bit vulnerable on this one because I don't normally wear my little comfy workout pants on screen because of the obvious trolls out there. But I actually really like the fit on these ones, so this is fantastic. This will definitely be into my rotation. And then I'm wearing the long sleeve version of the white shirt that I was wearing earlier, and this one is more of a gray blue, sort of an icy blue, and I think this will be great for the fall.
Of course, you guys know I like to sew, so I want to show you a couple of details that I checked when I got my pieces.
And there's little things like this extra line of reinforced neckline. So they put a little band along here, and the stitching is very tidy, and that'll hold your neckline and shoulder line just that little extra tidy, which I really like. Of course, you've got nicely finished edges all around the edge. The stitching is really consistent, which is a nice thing to look for. And my favorite thing, hold on.
They added bar tacks at the top and bottom of the pocket slits to add a little bit of reinforcing, and that is a great detail to note.
So we just had a lovely lunch with some friends out in Montagnac, and I've worn this lovely outfit from Halara. So I've got on the culottes, look, culottes, yes, very comfortable. And then the very nice loose top, which has a really cool feature at the back. So it's got this extra fold back here, which kind of keeps the back perspiration at bay, shall we say.
Perfect for a day like today.
It really is. It's really light and comfortable, and I'm, I don't know, I can't decide which outfit I'm going to leave in the longest right now. But
Halara is athleisure wear, so it's mostly made with a polyester blend. They're working on their commitment to sustainability by only making things on demand. They don't mass produce in advance. If you're new to Halara, try their plus and curve selection, or even just their best sellers if you're not plus size. Please drop a comment and let me know which outfit you liked best. Thank you to Halara for sponsoring today's video, for having inclusive sizing, and for making me feel great.
It's getting exciting. Here is the bumper cars. Believe it or not, that is all going to fold out into a whole bumper car track. And then a bit of the midway and carnivals are starting to pop up as well. This tiny little parking lot will eventually become central for the fête. It's amazing how they transform it into a really fun time. And you can see there's the chateau directly behind the truck there. We are right in the middle of all of the fun. Oh, the tents are going up. This is where dinner will be on Saturday night. So like last year, the town has been very kind to help clean up our front park for the brocante. There's a whole crew of people out there with all sorts of gardening equipment and trimmers and mowers, you name it. And this place will be tidied in hours. The council members came through yesterday and marked out all of the territory on our front park. This is in preparation for tomorrow's brocante, which will happen first thing in the morning. There will be, from what we understand, at least 60 vendors here, so it should be a good day. Hopefully this rain just gets everything a little dampened and cools things off a bit. As night falls, the town comes alive with the sound of music, the smell of barbecue, and the fun at the Midway. is Sunday morning. Sarah's got her tea, and our front park has been turned into a brocante.
Yep, we're told there's 70 exhibitors, exposants this morning.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a quick tour and then open the chateau back up for the art.
For the exhibition.
show.
Yeah. I mean, the beauty of this is we get first dibs, I think, on
I don't
stuff.
know. I think to get first dibs, we would have had to been up 2 hours ago, and it's only 8 a.m. So
It's true. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
there are definitely some early birds out here, but let's go see what they've got to offer.
do it. Well, there we are. This is our treasures so far.
Yeah, I mean, they're still unloading. Admittedly, there's still more brocanteurs coming, and they're setting up their tables. But these struck our fancy. We could use some good-sized bowls on the table.
And you'll note that premium price that says one whole euro.
Yeah.
And they've got
Per
this cute
piece.
little French detail on them.
Yeah.
And we just thought they're really nice. They're a nice size for salads and serving yogurt in the morning and things like that. So,
And it's the land, the tradition.
oh, I love it.
There you
Yeah.
go. Not bad.
Yeah, cute. All right, you go and take the dog for a walk, and what happens?
I bought things.
You bought things. What'd you buy?
did. Well, we've got a small collection of these in one of the
Very
showrooms.
classic Limoges. Yeah.
Yeah, and I thought
Oh,
they were
that's
quite
very
pretty.
pretty, actually.
Believe it or not, it was 10 euros for both.
Okay, well, I can't argue with that.
That's what I figured.
Yeah.
So, and they're very pretty. I quite like the shape of them as well. And
Yeah.
I think they'll work nicely with the other ones that we've got.
Yeah, absolutely.
There you go.
Yeah, good choice, honey.
All right. Meanwhile, as the people were shopping at the brocante, the chateau was full of people taking a look at the art. We had a wonderful turnout. Everybody who was passing through seemed to really enjoy the show, and they got a quick look at the chateau as well. Lots of new people to meet, lots of questions to answer. There you go. The chateau is back to being just a chateau again. It's amazing to me that this park, yesterday was full of people wandering around with a big brocante happening, and then suddenly it's back to just being our lovely, quiet front park. Anyway, that's it for this week. It was a lot of fun. It's always amazing to watch the chateau transform into yet another iteration. And this is something that we really love about the chateau. We love bringing people in. It's a bit of a strange experience, admittedly. People just coming through through our home, but that's the whole point of a chateau, right? It's meant to be shared, and it's meant to be used as a space for people to gather. Anyway, so there we go. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and please do comment. We do love reading your comments, and we try to get back to as many of them as possible. We do have a Patreon, so by all means, if you have the means and you'd like to help out, we would love to have you along for the ride. Have a wonderful week, and we will talk to you next week.